Where are you? Easy. Be nice, Snow. Be a good boy. God, you're huge. It's your princess. I think he's happy to have friends. Oh my goodness. Look, I have friends. I have friends. Be nice. Be nice. A princess. He's just a big baby, honey. He's huge. Get him, Rollo. Ooh. You guys aren't used to having somebody a little more aggressive than you. It's kind of new, huh? Yeah, we're going to have to watch him with the old folk. There you go. Off he goes to investigate.